Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tundra turn signal bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Wearing safety gloves and eye protection is also a good practice before you begin any work on your vehicle. Next, open your Tundra's hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll need to remove any retaining clips or screws that secure it in place. Typically, there are 2 to 3 screws. Once these are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough space to reach the turn signal bulb housing from behind. Now, with the assembly accessible, locate the turn signal bulb socket. It's usually a small, round housing. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it directly from the socket. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated firmly, and avoid touching the glass with bare hands. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the headlight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully push the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it aligns correctly. Reinstall all the retaining clips and screws you removed earlier. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new turn signal bulb to confirm it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.